How to link multiple Truist accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link multiple Truist accounts online so you can manage all your finances in one place. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credential and once logged in, you simply have to navigate to profile and settings or look for a manage account section and there you simply have to find and click on link accounts or add accounts option to start linking your other Truist account. And from there you simply have to enter the account number and any other required information for the account you want to link and then submit the form. And after submission, you'll receive a confirmation message that your accounts are linked. And now you can easily switch between them from your dashboard. And that's it. That's how you can link multiple Truist accounts online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.